What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. Hope y'all are doing okay. Got the little Saab in possession here today. Got some company visiting me. I also have everybody's favorite hiding over there in the shade. Sitting there in the shade. I didn't want it sitting out in the sun. My mother has borrowed my Infiniti to go do some stalking. And I'm dead serious. And my wife is having, I know the sun is probably washing this out, but my wife is having some problems driving. I mean, what in the hell has she done? I mean, it's even cracked the washer right there. I mean, it's all just wanting to come off. So I got to do something with that. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys on Amazon Day, Amazon Prime Day this week. I ordered several things. I bought TVs, I ordered all kinds of goodies. But I don't know how many of you guys, where's my damn knife? Use Chemical Guys products, or if you've even heard of Chemical Guys. But you need to subscribe to their YouTube channel because, man, they've got some great how-to videos on car detailing and just, keeping your car clean. Where's a freaking knife? Hell, I guess I am going to have to use a damn flathead screwdriver. But they had a package you could get on Amazon that was normally $100, and it was on sale on Prime Day this week for $70, so $30 off. So I wanted to see what the hell that included. Let's see what all came with this. Okay, we got a nice Chemical Guys Chenille wash mitt. That's nice. Got some of their professional microfiber towels, 3 of them. That guy right there, I can't remember his name. He does the best videos. He has the most pleasant voice. That's something I'm really envious and jealous of because I know my voice is like chalk on a chalkboard. Waffle Weave glass and window microfiber towel. That's cool. Oh, and I know what this is. This is the, you put that in the bottom of your wash bucket for dirt, to keep the dirt separated from the... I mean, look at all this stuff. Man, that is a nice tire brush. It's actually pretty soft. A foam blaster. You get a foam blaster cannon. Foam gun. I've always wanted to try one of those. Never had one. What else? Okay, this looks like something for applying either like tire shine or maybe some bumper shine, like black plastic trim shine or something like that, back to black. That's what that looks like. That's pretty cool. Easy grip, soft applicator. We got some various sauces. Silk Shine Protectant, vinyl, rubber, and plastic. That's nice. And that's a pretty big bottle. I mean, that's 16 ounces. Good size bottle. Diablo wheel cleaner. Now, you guys have seen my video on the Adams wheel cleaner, and I swear by it. It's the best stuff I've ever used. So I will be anxious to try Chemical Guys Diablo wheel cleaner and see how it compares. Because that Adams wheel cleaner is pretty awesome. I bet the Chemical Guys is going to be just as good. We got some glass cleaner. Chemical Guys glass cleaner. Got some of that. What else we got? Speed wipe. Spray gloss and quick detailer. Okay, yeah. Just spray it on and wipe it off. Cherry scented. Cool. All kinds of little goodies here, man. Not bad for 70 bucks, I don't think. Butter wet wax. Deep wet shine. Natural carnauba. Cream wax. Deep wet look to any paintwork. 16 ounces. Awesome. Snow foam auto wash. All right, this is the fun stuff for the Canon. So yeah, I'll look forward to using that for sure. And then last but not least, a good old Chemical Guys bucket. Heck yeah, man. That's awesome. So anyway, yeah, there's your little unboxing of the Chemical Guys starter kit. I have bought their polisher, their DA polisher. I think it's called the Torx. Don't hold me to that. And it works brilliantly. I mean, it is so good. And it's good for people like me if you don't know what you're doing. It's very forgiving. Lots of different speeds. I mean, low, slow, medium, fast, super fast. I mean, tons of speeds. Great DA. So, if you're looking to get into a starter wash set and wax set, I'll be interested to try this waffle weave. Glass and window clip. I'm telling you, the Chemical Guys stuff's hard to beat. Just go to their website, chemicalguys.com. I'm not sponsored by them. I'm such a tiny channel, people don't sponsor me. But I've used their products. Their waxes are great. I've used them on the Saab, and they do just a wonderful job. So anyway, you ought to check them out, Chemical Guys, on Amazon or at their website. And I will get you guys an update on the old 9.3 there. And I'll get you an update on the Lexus. I know it's been a couple of months, so I don't even know what the mileage or anything is on either one. I just know the damn bumper's about to fall off it. So look for that soon. Y'all have a good one. Like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. Please comment and please like. It helps the channel. I appreciate you all. You have a good day. Peace. Okay, peace again.